People of all ages come to West Coast Spine Center, Sarasota, with a range of issues, including back pain, neck, shoulder, and knee pain, sciatica, headaches, and injuries from automobile accidents like whiplash. For over 40 years, we've provided chiropractic alternatives to drugs and surgery that have brought lasting pain relief to thousands of our patients. What's behind so many successful treatment stories? Renowned Gonstead Chiropractic physician, Dr. Craig Barcomb. Not all chiropractors are trained to practice the Gonstead Method, which is focused on identifying and skillfully correcting misalignments of the spine and other joints in the body.
And the question here is, how is Gonstead Chiropractic different from a manipulative sense? Often, diversified chiropractic will use rotatory moves in the cervical spine that will cause a number of things to happen. But the joint structures, if you can see them here, are really angled, so a rotatory movement isn't necessarily the easiest or perhaps the most beneficial way of doing that. Manipulation of the cervical spine done by Gonstead is posterior to anterior cervical spine. It also applies to the same situation here. You've done it in a different position, but you're doing a posterior to anterior, back to front, in the way that the manipulative procedures are done. And there's very little or no rotatory aspect to these kinds of cervical manipulation. There is no rotatory aspect of the thoracic, and there is sometimes in the pelvic area, just simply because of the joints and the way that the slack has to be removed so you can manipulate the joint completely through its articulative surface. But that's the fundamental difference between Gonstead and a diversified chiropractic manipulative procedure.
If you're ready to discover a life without pain, drugs, or surgery, call us now to schedule an appointment. Our number is 941-362-2000. You can also visit our website at westcoastspinecenter.com.